Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So guys, in SEO, very important two options are there. One is called 301 redirect and 302 redirect. How to use this both option on your particular website. So first of all, when we can use SEO 301, 302 redirect. Suppose you can maintain a website. The website will be under construction, but don't lose the customers. In the particular purpose, 301 is a permanent redirection A website to B website. Suppose your website will be A. I'm give you one example. A is your website. B is the unknown website. If A website is required for modification, the modification time we don't lose the traffic purpose. We can redirect to the B website. It is permanent. That is called 301. It is temporary. That is called 302. So how it can happen in the particular 301, 302 redirect on your particular website. This option will be used for the two things. The two things is called, one is called cPanel, second one is called your particular cPanel on the particular pages. So I'll show the two websites. This website, right now enter, open this website will be right now. If in your future, if anybody enter this website, it will go into the blogger website or else other website. Suppose if an anybody this website, they go to Rocketech solution or suppose how to redirect the Rocketech solution when click for this particular website. Now, first of all, log in your cPanel. In the cPanel, the option name is called here. They use these all options are here. In this domain, this option, it is called redirect. In this redirect, permanent and temporary is there. So which one you can use? I can use temporary. If anybody open this website, it is going to the Rakestek solution website. So yeah. So certain conditions are there. Only read with the double dot. So when the website will be www dot is there, we can redirect. Or with or without. Or do not redirect double dot. So the option will be here. So I'm clicking for second option, redirect with the double dot or without double dot. So I'm selecting this add. If I'm selecting incognito window, if anyone open this website, it is open for rakeshtechsolutions.com website. Why? I can redirect from the temporary redirection. How to know that? Here, we'll come into cPanel, go back in this. What is that? 302 temporary. So once you done by redirection, we can't edit the particular redirection option. We can delete and redirect. We can select incognito window. Now open this website. Same website will be open. Is it clear? These are the compulsory important. For suppose I have to open this website, it is go to the particular page. So this I'm go to the particular training page. Suppose cPanel first select the permanent and temporary. Select temporary. Add your domain. After that, which page you can redirect? Select the redirect option. Click for add. Now, anybody open this page. Open incognito window. Incognito window will be immediate redirection. So now go to a Rocket Solution training page. Same like you can doing for Blogger also, not only website. The website will be cPanel, but you can using for Blogger also. So how we can using for Blogger also? We can check here. Now first of all, I'll show you the page and page. Before showing Blogger, I'll show one more option. Every cPanel, the option will be domain, the redirection will be there. Once redirect, we can't edit. Only option is called delete option will be there. So that is a keep it in mind. And coding also how to change. I'll show the coding part. Now I'm showing for Blogger one. So in this Blogger website, simply you can go to option name is called here. Every option will be there. Go to layout option. In the layout, we have the option name is called pages. edit page, they use option name is called custom external URL. In this adding for training. After adding training, adding this page, click for save link. So the link will be shown to customer will be here, training link. So finally click for save option. After that, any other changes will be here, save. Now click for refresh. So if anybody click for the training page, they go to where? New particular Rakesh Tech Solution website. Is one kind of redirect, is a permanent redirection. Not for we not create the temporary redirection. We can create for only for permanent redirection option. For where blog out to your particular website option. So this is the option we can creating for blogger. So we're creating for website, we're creating for blogger also. So every option will be created by using C1 and the blogger also will be redirect website to blogger, blogger to website. Use this functionality. If anything redirection will be required, we can go to the my channel will be always support any kind of a query for your blogger and a particular website. So follow these instructions. Any page modification, we don't lose traffic purpose. We can redirect to the another page, another blogger option. They will be held on a particular 301 and 302 redirection. 301 is a permanent redirection. 302 is a temporary redirection. That mean by we don't lose the traffic purpose. Your domain will be created. So you're not activate your website, but you don't lose traffic purpose. We can direct to your blogger and another website to your domain to will be create that option. So follow this instruction and create by SEO technique 301 and 302 redirection to generating traffic without losing any traffic on a particular page if you're not losing for traffic purpose. Always follow instructions. This technique, don't lose the traffic on a particular link if any content changing time. So this is a blogger and a particular website. Any doubt you can ask me to my channel. Don't forget to please like, share, subscribe our channel.